Hello guys, today I just want to share y'all a little video of my stockpile that I have bought from Extreme Couponing. I just want to share y'all how I do it, and because today I'm going to pile them, I'm going to stock them in our closet, and I already did the paper towels today, and they look good in there. So the next thing I'm going to put in our closet is the dishwashing soap, mouthwash, bar soap, shampoo, conditioner, some face mask, and just like a little things that we use every day. That's the only thing that I'm I really like to I really like to coupon, and I be couponing more on mouthwash because we really need mouthwash every day. Um, we got some toothbrush for the kids. I'm stocking up some of the two, uh, so we can have some stockpile for the entire whole year, uh, so that we don't need to buy them at all, to save a lot of money. I guess, because some of the stuff that we usually use every day, just like shampoo and conditioner, are very expensive nowadays. I should say probably spend like $5 for $1 or $3, but at least when you know how to coupon, at least you're saving a lot of money. So I'll show you later, guys, how I did my stockpile when I'm going to finish putting up in my closet. Uh, so I just want to organize them for today. So I'm going to start organizing them, and I'll come back in a little bit to show y'all how it looks. Guys, here, trying to put them together in line. So I have my daughter trying to help me doing stacking our haul, should say our the stuff that we coupon. I got a bestest helper over here right now. Just put all the detergents together, babe. The dishwashing soap, I should say.
Get them in the line?
Yeah, you can put them all together in there. No, next line. You gotta make another pattern. Yeah, like a AB pattern. Okay. Now you go right like that. So here you go. She just gonna put that all together like that. I don't want to bore y'all. So we just come back. We just come back for our part 2 on our video when we finish putting them all in our closet. Finish
Let's go.
stocking them. So I'll see you in part 2, guys. All right, thank you.